Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
Have you ever wondered how some people make a living solely based on their performance? It's not magic. It's called commission. Commission is a powerful motivator that encourages hard work and rewards success. In this essay, we'll break down the concept of commission, explore its mechanics, and delve into its advantages and disadvantages. Whether you're considering a commission-based job or simply curious about how it all works, understanding commission is essential in today's diverse work landscape. Commission is a payment system where individuals earn money based on their performance, usually measured by sales or successful outcomes. Instead of receiving a fixed salary, individuals working on commission earn a percentage of the revenue they generate. This means the more they sell, the more they earn. It's a simple concept that encourages individuals to go the extra mile and strive for excellence. Imagine Sarah, a real estate agent, helps a family buy their dream home for $300,000. If her commission rate is 3%, she earns $9,000 from that sale alone.
That's right. Helping families find their perfect home is rewarding in more ways than one.
Another example is John, a car salesman. If he sells a car for $25,000 and his commission rate is 5%, he earns $1,250 for that sale.
Exactly. Each sale is a step towards financial goals.
These examples illustrate how commission directly ties earnings to performance. Other industries where commission is common include insurance, retail, and financial services. Commission can be incredibly motivating, pushing individuals to work harder and smarter to achieve higher earnings. It also offers unlimited earning potential, meaning there's no cap on how much one can make. However, commission-based income can be unpredictable, leading to fluctuating earnings and potential financial instability. It can also create a highly competitive environment that may not be suitable for everyone.